we go. Hi, hon. Surprise. I thought I'd do your song for you here on YouTube and send it to you. I love you. Well, it took a long time to finally find the woman of my dreams. My world was upside down, kept spinning around, falling apart at the seams. There's no more sorrow, I look forward to tomorrow, you have eased my pain. There's love and there's laughter from here ever after. You got me dancing in the rain, dancing in the rain, taking it slow, moving to the rhythm on the radio. Oh, hot damn, what a feeling. My heart is beating fast and my head is reeling. Dancing in the rain, lighting up the sky. I can feel the love when I look into your eyes. No more sorrow, no more pain. You got me dancing in the rain, dancing in the rain, taking it slow, moving to the rhythm on the radio. Oh, hot damn, what a feeling. My heart's beating fast and my head is reeling. Dancing in the rain. Anyway, babe, I love you and I hope you liked it. It's not the best guitar in the world, but I hope you liked it, babe. Mwah.